The mop and bucket. You can never have one without the other. Are you still wringing out filthy mop heads that are still too wet? Don't stick with the old. It's time to call Twist for the quickest way to clean your floors and hard surfaces. Introducing the X-Twist Mop from JML. Now clean, gleaming floors are done with a twist. Just use water to activate the powerful microfiber pad for incredible cleaning results without the need for harsh chemicals. The X-Twist Mop's X-design and low-profile rotational head means it dances its way around awkward furniture and jives into those hard-to-reach places other conventional mops just can't reach. And when it's time to go again, just push and twist, and the dirty water's gone. The X-Twist Mop's super absorbent microfiber pad holds up to 3 times its own weight in liquid, lifting up spills and holding them in until you're ready to twist again. And when finished, just put it in the washing machine. Doing the twist has never been easier. Perfect for cleaning your tiles, marble, vinyl, wood, laminates, and so much more. The X-Twist Mop cleans them all. It's also perfect for dusting and sweeping, trapping in dust, dirt, and hair. Tackle tough dirt and grime and make your home shine. For cleaner floors using just water, it goes like this. Just push, twist, and refresh your home with the X-Twist Mop from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.